Okay, I've got the Jackson Haines blade, 100-year-old, an incredible edger. This particular blade in the cross section is wedge shaped, then it's flat right where this portion is. So it's parallel here, then it goes wedge shaped. Then also the blade is thick here, then it goes very thin at the tail, then it gets moderate here, so it goes from one thickness, max thickness, then it even gets thinner. It's about the same thickness here it is down here. So it's a very weird, complex blade, 100-year-old. That word there, I think in German, means rail hard. And it's made by H&B. There's a little logo. One of them says made in Germany. So I've got this dialed in on the incredible edger. Got this set to 1/2 inch radius of hollow. I already went ahead and trimmed this in another video. I'm purposely not going to run the blower. Took one light cut. Cuts real well. The high carbon steel. You just take easy cuts. Kind of dwelled on that just for a second. And I'd actually tried to sharpen this on a different machine, and I had it set up wrong, so it's going to take a while to clean this up. Once I've got a clear cut across, I'm going to go ahead and check the squareness. This particular blade, you cannot put a bat gauge on it because, again, this is not parallel. You can put a square on here and check the gap from this side and on this side, or you can put a long steel rule and check parallelism to the fixture. So there it is, playing around with a 100-year-old skate blade. You can tell by the spark pattern. Let me turn the light off here. See what it looks like. Maybe more dramatic. Turn off some lights. See if we can get this to pop out better. When I'm normally running this, I've got the blower hooked up. I've got a foot switch. It's got a vacuum through the. I've got a shop vac. It's about right behind the camera, so it's pretty close. See sparks go into the vacuum here. A beautiful finish, but haven't cleaned it up yet to get it squared on there. It was sharpened on another machine improperly because it was registered to a non-wedge on one of these blades. So I got to pay some dues to go ahead and get this thing to be square, to get the radius of hollow so it's okay, because it was put on a machine where they put on it and had the blade tilted because it was resting on the wedge piece. So they referenced off this surface here. So it's all screwed up on the, one of the edge heights is all goofed up. So I'm going to have to pay some dues to get it lined up.